Welcome back to the Big Deco channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to make the viral cracked latte. For this latte, you'll need to start with a plastic to-go cup, and this will enable us to be able to squeeze the cup and crack the chocolate. Let's get started with some melted chocolate. We do recommend Couverture Chocolate because of its high quality and taste, but any chocolate will do. The goal is to coat the inside of your cup with a nice, even layer of chocolate. Once fully coated, place your cup in the freezer until your chocolate becomes solid, and you can test it out by tapping. Now let's build our latte. Let's start with some ice. Next, we're gonna add espresso or coffee. And finally, add a layer of cream or milk, and make sure you add some sweetener if you'd like. Now just crack away and enjoy your latte.